Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Psych E-Pathshala. Go to our channel homepage and click on the subscribe button. And to get notified for our future videos, click on the bell icon and choose the all option. To answer daily quiz on psychology, search for Psych E-Pathshala on Facebook and like our page. So let's start this video. In this video, we will be discussing about the autonomic nervous system. By definition, the autonomic nervous system, or the ANS, is connected with the regulation and governance of the involuntary activities of visceral organs. Hence, it is also known as the visceral nervous system. As this is an autonomic nervous system, this is beyond our voluntary control, which means we do not have any control over the actions of it. The term autonomic here does not mean that the system is self-regulating or automatic. Rather, it refers to the system that is concerned with such neural mechanisms that regulates and controls those organic functions over which the organism has no conscious control. These organic activities are involuntary. For example, the functions of heart, maintenance of blood pressure, digestive functions, etc. are governed by the autonomic nervous system. These are the vital functions of visceral organs and essential for sustenance and growth of life. Autonomic nervous system is made up of a set of reflex areas which are subjected to control of certain centers in the brain. Some of the efferent fibers emerge from the central nervous system and pass on to a mass of cell bodies called autonomic ganglia. It consists of autonomic ganglia and pre- and post-ganglionic fibers. This is where the motor impulses to the autonomic effectors are supplied by two efferent neurons, namely the pre- and post-ganglionic fibers. The autonomic nervous system has two divisions: sympathetic division and parasympathetic division. Although the effect of one division is opposite to the effect of the other, both work together to maintain a state of equilibrium. The sympathetic division of the autonomic nervous system is primarily located on the middle of the spinal column, running from near the top of the rib cage to the waist area. The sympathetic division is usually called the fight or flight system because it allows people and animals to deal with all kinds of stressful events. The sympathetic division of the autonomic nervous system gets activated in emergency situations when our survival is at threat. During the fight or flight period, the digestion stops, blood flows from the internal organs to the muscles, and breathing rate, oxygen supply, heart rate, and blood sugar level increases. The parasympathetic division is mainly concerned with conservation of energy. The neurons of these divisions are located at the top and bottom of the spinal column, on the other side of the sympathetic division. Para means beyond or next to, and this sense refers to the neurons located on either side of the sympathetic division neurons. Functionally, parasympathetic division monitors the routine functions of the internal system of the body. When the emergency situation is over, the parasympathetic division takes over and brings our bodily state to homeostasis. It decelerates the sympathetic activation and calms down the individual to a normal condition. As a result, all body functions like heartbeat, breathing, and blood flow returns to their normal level or homeostasis. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Click on the circle to subscribe to our channel. Click on the boxes to watch other videos on our channel. Like this video and share it with your friends.